I want to talk about drones. Police departments across the country are using them to enforce social distancing. In Daytona Beach, they are using drones to enforce social distancing. Ryan English is with us. He's the CEO and co-founder of FLYMOTION, and his company has indeed helped the Daytona police. Ryan, it's not privacy that bothers me, it's intimidation. It's the idea of walking along the street and having a drone shout at me. I don't like it. What's your response to that?
So I think, obviously drone technology has come a long way in the past few years. Police departments, public safety agencies have been using bullhorns, PAs, things like that for decades now. And I think this is just a new alternative means to go ahead and get,
it is.
sound.
But
and
you
like
get my
that.
point. But you do get my point, don't you? It's not like a police officer with a bullhorn talking directly at me. This is something flying up there. I've got to keep on looking up. I get the feeling I'm being watched all the time. Look, I know it's not going to interrupt and interfere with your business, but I'm sure you're aware of ordinary citizens and how they feel about this.
Yeah, I mean, I hear it a lot, and my response to that is, you own a cell phone, right, that has a camera and literally is walking around everywhere you go. So, cameras, audio recording devices, things like that. I mean, that's something that, society uses pretty much everybody nowadays.
Okay. How about a drone that takes my temperature from the air? You could say that that's an intrusion of privacy.
I think, I personally, I see the benefits of the technology, and I think it's allowing departments to do things and respond to incidents in a very much more safe manner and efficient manner that traditionally they have not been able to do in the past.
Is business good?
We're staying extremely busy. We've been helping public safety agencies across the country and abroad as well.
Okay. Look, Ryan, thanks for being on the show. I didn't mean to go at you about privacy and Big Brother and intimidation. I think you've handled this before. You've got a great company, and we appreciate you being with us today. Ryan English. Thank you, sir. Sure thing.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.